You slept 7 hours. You had coffee. It's 10 a.m. and you're already tired. This is not normal aging. Something in your system is broken, and nobody told you what. After 30, mitochondrial function starts declining. Your cells, the actual engines that produce your energy, become less efficient. But this isn't inevitable. It's accelerated by how most men live. Processed food. Alcohol a few nights a week. Blue light until midnight. No morning sunlight. Chronic stress. Each one compounds the decline. Together, they wreck you.
Testosterone drops about 1% per year after 30. A bad lifestyle turns that into 3 to 4%.
Low testosterone means low drive, low energy, low motivation. You're not tired because you're getting older. You're tired because no one taught you how to maintain the machine. Start now. The recovery is faster than you think.